Okay, here will ladies be finalists now, top seed. What a tussle it was. Wee hours of the evening, your thoughts about this encounter, Brigitte?
Yes, it was a good match. She's a really strong competitor. I got to understand that she was top girl as a junior, that kind of thing. I really didn't expect to get such a fight. Ground strokes are nice. It was a really, really good match. It was tough, but I fought.
And your thoughts about the conditions as the light faded?
Yeah, the light faded, and I'm here waiting for the lights to come on because I never played at Tennis Jamaica before. So I'm looking around, and then I noticed that they have no lights. So when the lights call and I was up, I said, you know what, let me just hurry up and try and wrap this up because I don't want to have to lose this momentum that I have right now. And I was happy that my opponent agreed that we to continue.
I think she played very well. She got, she got most things back. It was really hard. I had some physical pull-ups. I had some cramping. That kind of forced me to pull up my game a little bit. But I think she played very well. All she has to work on is her serve. Because my back and everything was hurting me today, my serve wasn't quite there as much as I'm used to depending on it. But yeah, it was the most enjoyable game.
You upset the top seed 6-2-7-5. Was that a surprising score for you coming in knowing that you're playing somebody with the caliber of Brenta?
Yeah, it was a surprise. I mean, I'm still surprised that I beat him, but I guess my game was effective to him. So I just use my game, play my game.
And how would you describe your game? What type of tennis is your game built around?
Well, my game is like chip and charge, slice and going to the net and hoping that my opponent will give me I use the return and I put away the volley.
We had a tough match today. I mean, it was tough, but any match where you come out on top is always a good one. So the first set was tight, could have gone either way, and then I think going into the second set I was more confident of the two, so happy for how it ended up and certainly looking forward to tomorrow.
And talk about tomorrow. You're quite familiar with your opponent. He tells me that you guys you hit a lot.
Yeah, we play about 5 times a week. He's my coach, but tomorrow I don't think I'm going to show too much respect to him. Certainly looking forward to it. I was actually a bit distracted playing my match, watching his own. I was super happy when I saw him raise his hands in triumph. So tomorrow's going to be a fun one either way, that you can be sure of.
Because I've been beating in practice, I mean, almost every day. But tournament is a different thing, and I'm hoping that I want to change my game tomorrow, that he knows. So tomorrow is business.